Will silver prices hit the 4 lakh rupee per a kilo mark? Well, looking at the stunning rally that silver has been displaying, it could well be possible to see that in the next couple of days. Factor this, MCX silver is currently trading at 3,79,398 rupees per kilogram. So it is nearing the 4 lakh rupee per a kilo mark as well. In a single day already today, we've seen silver prices jump by 23,000 rupees. Also, in the last two sessions, it's crossed 50,000 rupees in the kind of return that we have seen. Globally as well, silver prices have hit a fresh record high of $117 an ounce. In fact, silver prices have already given a massive return of 60% in January alone. So we've not even seen the first month of 2026 get over, but silver prices are up 60%. More than 200% of a return is something that silver has delivered over the last 12 months in one single year, a 200% jump. This stunning silver rally over the last 12 months has also eclipsed gold's 80% surge in the last 12 months as well. So, what are the reasons that silver prices are outpacing even gold returns? Well, of course, there is a strong global demand for safe assets that's pulling both gold and silver higher. Amid the rising geopolitical tensions after the tariff threats from the US, we've also seen the US dollar weaken to a 4 year low level. That's also pushed the silver demand higher. In fact, silver is witnessing a dual demand surge. It is acting as both a monetary hedge and as a critical industrial matter that is tied to solar space, the electric vehicle space, and the demand for these industrial spaces is also pushing up the demand for silver largely over the last 1.5 years, as we have seen. So the big question is, what next for silver and what should you be doing? Of course, a lot of investors are facing a lot of FOMO that in case you had just invested some money in silver, even on the first day of the new year, even when the prices had already jumped by nearly 150%, there could well be further chance to pick up on the returns that we've already seen. But should you really be looking at this FOMO and investing at this point in time? Most of the analysts are actually advising you to have some caution as silver prices have soared way above the fundamentals or imagination of most of the technical analysts right now. There could well be some move continuing on silver prices from here as well. But should you invest it at these levels, be aggressive or be very calculative with your SIP or ETF investments in silver? That's something that you need to think for yourselves, speak to your financial advisor about.